Welcome! Today, we're diving into one of the most common questions people ask: how to view blocked profiles on Facebook in 2025. Maybe you blocked someone a while back and want to check their profile again, or you're just curious to see your blocked list. Either way, this guide will walk you through the steps clearly and simply. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Once the app loads, look to the very top left corner and tap on your profile picture. This brings up your personal profile hub, where you can access settings and all your activity on Facebook. Next, look for the three dots beside your profile options. Tap on them. From there, choose Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook stores your interactions, posts, and connections in one organized place. It's also where you can manage things like your block list. Now, under the Connections section, you'll see a small arrow. Tap on that arrow to expand the category. Then select Blocked. This is your complete list of profiles you've blocked over time. You'll be able to see every person currently blocked from viewing your profile or interacting with you. From this list, you can tap on any name to review their profile, or choose to unblock them if you've changed your mind. After unblocking, keep in mind that you'll need to send a new friend request if you want to reestablish a connection. Facebook won't automatically restore friendships once you unblock someone. And that's all it takes, just a few quick taps to find your blocked list and see those profiles again. Whether you're managing your privacy settings, tidying up old connections, or simply checking who's still blocked, these steps keep everything under your control. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to take a moment to like the video and share it with friends who might need a hand navigating Facebook's latest features. Thanks for watching.